Are you ready for another lesson in Jamaican patois? I'm sure you have gotten your Talk Jamaican from Amazon.com and you can speak it and understand it well now. Anyway, if you do not understand what I'm talking about in these lessons, I will always give you a short overview in English. So don't worry, just hang on. Tell me something. If you're in the sea and you hear somebody bawl, shark, what you going to do? Not even Usain Bolt could have catch me, boy. Me I tell you because me know say shark will yam me. But you know they have one shark when no trouble nobody. Yes, it named nurse shark. The first Jamaica have enough of them, you know. But the first time me see one was out of Bull Bay. Me was a coming from Bob Marley Beach. You know where that there? I want fisherman beach out there. The fisherman them say, then call it Bob Marley Beach for honor them friend because him used to come out there and burn the chalice with them. But then keep the beach nice, the water clean and shallow. And when you're ready for eat, them have fried fish and bami and fried fish and festival and all them things. So me and my friend them love ride go out there from Kingston. We swim, we eat, and then we go back in. That day, yeah, me a riding back and me see two man a push one wheelbarrow with a big ugly sitting in it. So you know me fast already, me have to stop and ask them a what? They say, a nurse shark. Now me read about nurse shark, so me know say nurse shark not trouble nobody. So me say, why not kill the poor little nurse shark for? They say, they never kill him. They say a him come in a them fish pot and yam out them fish. Now you know fisherman make their money off of fish. And if for shark near me out, they know no money for look after them picnic. Them even open up his mouth, you know, and show me the fish down in throat. His mouth like a bit you see and his teeth fine. He can't kill nobody. He a really only fish eating shark. But master, at the first time I really see one when me hear about them all over Jamaica. But now they have one sign down at Waterways, or they have one place down at Waterways, and the sign say swim with the shark. So me did think a real shark and me go down there. But I'm not a real shark, a nurse shark. I'll pick me in there swim with them. Them swim on the bottom and people just a swim anyway and them no pay nobody no buying and nobody no pay them no mind. I want a nice experience. For my daughter and granddaughter did go in there. But me never feel like smell go mix up with no shark because I don't like the fishy smell, you know, see how it go already. Anyway, with all that, although Jamaica full of nurse shark, you know, say if me in the water and me hear about somebody ball shark, me not have to look at what kind of shark, you know, brother. Me gone like light. So swim good. In the previous section, I was questioning whether you're afraid of sharks. You should be because sharks do like the taste of human flesh. But there is a particular shark called the nurse shark, which is quite harmless. It only eats fish. And the first time I saw it was out at a place called Bob Marley Beach. This is in Bull Bay, which is near to Kingston. It's a fisherman beach, but they have named it in honor of Bob, who they said used to come there often to smoke weed with them and burn a chalice, as we say. But they keep the beach very nice. It is the water is very clean. It's quite shallow, and the fishermen will cook fry fish and bami or fry fish and festival for you if you wish. So it's a nice place to enjoy yourselves. My friends and I ride from Kingston often out to Bob Marley Beach, splash around, eat some food, and ride back. One day I was riding back to Kingston and I saw two men pushing a wheelbarrow with a huge creature in it. And when I stopped to inquire what it was, they told me it was a nurse shark. So I berated them. I said, why are you killing a nurse shark? They're harmless. And they said, no, they didn't kill it. It went into its fish pot and ate off their fish. And they opened his mouth and showed me the fish in his throat. So I couldn't very well quarrel with them. Because, you know, a fisherman makes his living from selling fish. And if the shark eats his fish, well, you know, he has no money for his children. But there's even a place in Ocho now which has a big sign saying, swim with the sharks. And when you go there, it's nurse sharks. They swim at the bottom, and the people just swim around them, and they don't trouble you. So, but at the same time, I am saying that if I am in the water and somebody shouts shark, I am not going to stop to find out what kind of shark it is. I am going to leave and out there faster than even Usain Bolt. So enjoy yourself in Jamaica and swim good.